Oh look, he's trying to get that pizza.
From the beach. I never seen it. Yeah.
Oh my God, what was it that I saw the other with Lolly?
Wow.
We about to go swim with the Dolphins.
Oh, go ahead. I want to see that shit.
Alright, y'all. It's day 2. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got the swimming shorts on today. See where we find some action today. See how the beach look. I don't know if it's foggy. It looks like it's a little foggy out here. A little foggy out here. But yeah, we're gonna walk down and get to the beach. And I'm gonna throw y'all on the Hero 7 so we can get some water clips. You feel me? Get some water clips. So yeah. Wake up, yo.
Yo, 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 yo.
Yo, yo.
Yeah,
yeah, fresh. Get your ass up, hey. Oh yeah, we outside, y'all. Y'all see the setup. Y'all see the setup. We out here. All the people outside. We about to hop in the water. I'm gonna catch y'all when we got in the water. Y'all know the vibes.
So you don't get burned.
Look at Liam tent. Oh my God, about pineapples. My balcony did some things to this chair.
Ain't that right, baby?
Huh?
We out here. I'm gonna probably catch y'all when I get in the water. A lot of people out here. We've been working.
Those are dolphins. You see it?
That's Free Willy. No, that's Flipper.
Free Willy, the great white fish do that. From the beach. I never seen it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, what was it that I saw the other with Lolly? Yeah, stingray.
Wow.
Hey, what's up?
No, we did dolphin.
Yeah. You wanna go swimming with him? Come on. Ooh, fuck. Come on, Liam. We outside, boys. We about to go swim with the Dolphins. Foot room with y'all. We outside, boy. Well, he on the jet ski over there. Oh, shit. Swimming with the Dolphins. Clickbait, y'all. But shit, I'm out here, though. Oh yeah, gotta stay above water. Keep your eyes on the swivel, cause motherfucker, shit. Whew. Liam. Whew. Let's go get Liam, y'all. Let's go get him. Shit, nice though. The water seemed like it's higher from yesterday. There's a little dip in this bitch. Shit. Watch him, baby. Yeah, that just was it. I couldn't throw these away when I was a kid.
That's the best part.
Yep. Fucking that shit up. Yeah, Trey. Save me a bag of chips. Alright, y'all, we walking over to Days Inn to go get some food. Yeah, y'all seen the little beach clips. I didn't want to sink the GoPro too much, and I mean, get it. It's waterproof, but I didn't want to do too much in the ocean, especially if it's smacking it all the time. So we about to go swim a little bit too, and then I'm gonna get y'all some swim clips too. So stay tuned. We're gonna walk the boardwalk down to Days Inn real quick from our telly, and yeah, we'll catch y'all, get y'all some swim clips.
Oh yeah, the beach is right here in front. Shit chilling like a villain. Sun is back out.
And there was one over here too, look. We didn't even know that.
We was using that one.
But yeah, just came from the beach. We're gonna go get some food real quick. I'll be leaving her because she walks so damn slow.
Walk so slow. I'm so used to moving, bro. Like when I walk, I be out. Well, we gonna catch her when we get to the scene.
Oh yeah, that shit busting.
A little bit. He can't go in the pool right now. No. Oh, Puerto Rico. I want one. Then they keep us on Puerto Rico. See how they keep that. He's gonna keep
Corvette.
He needs to get out the pool.
I was like, oh my god, man.
Why would you do that? Now we gotta stay out.
Oh, that's what around here.
Is he out here? Cool. Oh yeah, way on the other side.
Yeah.
I think she's the only one working the pool, so she's all over the place. Let me see.
Like
That's
that?
you, huh?
That's me? No.
Yeah, that's you, your picture.
That's me?
No, you can't. Yeah, I can't.
That's me?
I'm not trying to.
Oh look, he's trying to get that pizza. Whoa.
Is there food over there?
Yeah, he almost got that
I
pizza.
know, he just slid into it.
He was that, yo, that was smart, man. That was a smart move.
Yeah.
Busting. Somebody over here lit already. He over here babying his drink. Seagulls almost took his food. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Mama over there recording. Wiley over there twisted off the Long Island. Look at these candles, yo. Look at this. Mike and Night. Joker. Gas mask. Hershey's. Cupcake Twix. Twinkies.
Ding dongs.
Ding dongs.
Fruit pies.
How much? Look at them other ones over there. They got some nice ones too.
Oh, these are the ones that we always see.
Yeah, we
in
always
smoke
buy those
shops,
at the
though,
smoke
but
shop,
those
yeah.
I don't ever.
Damn, this
Oh look, they got your thing over there,
It
baby.
smelled just like it.
What is that?
Like they melted Mike and Ike in it.
Oh yeah, the hot John, hot tamales, Jolly Ranchers. He's over here smoking that Philly bud, my nigga Steve's, and he's smoking that dispensary shit. That shit got y'all niggas lifted. That's the dispensary shit, baby. How that shit?
Uncooked.
That shit got you cooked. We're going in the pool or what? Oh, old school Benzo. Like Lorenzo. These motherfuckers don't want to get in with me. So, guess I'll just jump in myself. You know what I'm saying? Fresh said he's gonna come over here and swim. He said he Aquaman and shit, then they want to get in. Like, you don't even want to get in. That shit crazy. Guess I'm forced to jump in it, motherfucker. baby. It's warm, bro. I'm telling you, it's not even cold as you think. You know how your mom pool is? This should be cold, bro. This shit warm right now. Then you know what I'm saying? Then you jump in, baby. I'm not cold. I'd have been like, I'm good. That shit crazy. Come on, baby, you next. Jump in. Come on. Baby, come on. Come on, Trey. All right, put your feet in. Trying to get him to come in, man. I don't want to come in. Solo soldier. Always happens that way. We're supposed to get y'all some footage at the Days Inn John, but we started grubbing, as y'all seen. And then, yeah, we said we going to take it back to our jelly. And then, I mean, get in the pool. Come on, baby. Oh, man. They done wine and dine. I'm the only sober and Clove over here. These motherfuckers lit. Tired. Look at him. Look at him. They just cool. And I'm just booing. Get back to y'all if they get in. Good. Come on, over here. Chevy Cruise. It's the same car, he just riding around. Come on, babe. That's a turbo too. It's not cold. And you can stand. So come on. Swim to me. Yes, you gotta make me do so much editing. Let's go. Shit. It's not cold, baby. You swimming like you never been in the pool before.
I'm walking with you first of all. I'm not swimming.
Well, whatever you doing. Crab walking over here. It ain't cold, fresh. Come on. Let's go. Alright, come on. Yeah. Yeah. No, we're gonna swim.
What?
Like what you mean, like that? That's gonna be hard. Come on.
That's the whole point.
Cooked her. Cooked you. All right, now go in there. I'm gonna watch you swim.
Alright, you gonna do it from the back?
I'm gonna do it from the front. All right, go. Okay. Yeah, but I'm gonna lose. Watch this race.
I would have never.
Well, you would have lost, right? It's longer than your mom's. You're gonna be out of breath. You're gonna be out of breath.
Y'all can swim underneath the water from there and back. She ain't even gonna be 5 feet no more. You keep jumping in like that. I'll drink the bottle up. You're gonna take all the wood out. Woo! They gonna be like, damn, it was that hot today. Yeah, what happened out of this? The water hose just filled that bitch up. Why you trying to hold on? From me dunking you like what's up with you,
Ew, no you're not. No you're not.
What's wrong with that?
Bro, that's a crazy ass water fountain though.
M2 competition right here, boy. You know what I'm saying? With stick speed.
Son busting. Look at that John. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we back just like that. We changed.
And my girl got my outfit on. She look like me right now. She ain't feel like wearing no girly stuff, so
Where are you at?
I told her to wear something that I got. Now, you know, I got some extra shit. First bench.
You saw that white house?
They had the first bench.
Yeah.
So they on this side?
On the left side?
The one we walked the beach?
Huh?
the Hellcat still over
When
there.
we walked the beach. You heard me?
Yeah, y'all, but yeah, y'all seen in that,
Same.
I really don't want to get too much from the Scat Pack talk about it, but y'all seen the, did y'all see the video? Yeah, y'all seen the video. I threw that out already. So yeah, nothing more to it, nothing less. My mom gonna take care of it. She gonna pay for it, and you know what I mean? I'm gonna throw in some bread of mine, help her out too, so it's nothing, man. As long as my mom was fine. Cars are materialistic shit, bro. Yes, I pay for that car every month. Pay for it today, as we speak. And then, you know what I mean? You just move on, bro. I make money. And here go a nice car right here, too.
Whoa. Oh, what? Oh, go ahead. I want to see this.
Y'all see that? That shit was hot, boy. That Mustang Coyote motor sound good. But more to the story, yeah. So back to the situation we was talking about with the Scat. But yeah, my mom gonna pay for it. I'm gonna help with it too. And then we just gonna move on, bro. Get that joint fixed. And then end up probably trading it in. And get something else. I'll probably get it, like I might get the Jeep SRT. Or I was talking to my girl. Maybe we get like a truck or something. You know what I'm saying? Maybe get a Ford. Or a Chevy, GMC, something. I'm gonna sit higher a little bit, so that's why I was looking at the, think about the SRTs. Keep the same motor and just go all-wheel drive. And then I can always, like, I want to get a drift car too, so I can start going to the tracks and stuff like that. Cause like the Scat is fine for what it is. I did a lot to it. I wasn't gonna do like anything with the motor and like make it, what is that shit? But make it like power and all that stuff, cause them blocks are not, like, you're gonna have to spend a lot of money to make the Scat over at least 600. So it was like not worth me putting all that money in it. I like the naturally aspirated motor and I like it for what it is. So that's why I enjoy it. It's a nice daily, and I don't daily it, but I just have fun with it.
Yeah, my boy got it here. Fit check. Fit check you right now.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
something light
Something light.
for the ball
You know what I
walk.
mean?
You know the vibes.
Something light. Look. Something light. Ah. Tell him something light.
So like,
Something light. We out here. Here, show me your shirt. Hey. Hey. His dad got the shirt on too.
Yep.
Yeah. Hey, mama, your leg all right?
I'm hopping.
Bro, it's beautiful out here, y'all. Look at the clouds, bro. Sheesh. So beautiful on the boardwalk. We outside. It's outside, boy. But yeah, I'll make another video about the scat pack. So it'll be fun, y'all. Don't worry. It wasn't as bad. My mom was real safe. No airbags came out, none of that. So yeah. Y'all just stay tuned, man. She'll be back. He work at a collision spot, Wally. So I'll show him everything what happened to it. I'll probably end up taking it to his job and letting them do the work, and then we just take it from there. Feel me, right, baby? What we gonna do?
We're gonna take it from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We take it from there, bro. They got my snake name, y'all. Nova. Trying to see if they have something for my mom. Oh, they got Tucker. Yeah. That's hot. Tucker, bro. You know my last name. Recognize. Oh. I don't see nothing else. You know what I'm saying? No, this popping. You know what I mean? Y'all don't got no other ones in here? What's these ones for? Oh, that's not bad. I'm gonna buy it.
Wow.
I'm gonna get that.
It's Raphael ice cream.
He got Raphael.
I don't got no other ones.
It's the Raphael. You ready?
Yeah. Say yes.
Gas. Look at that Biden shirt right there, y'all. That's some funny shit.
Huh? Coming right back.
I got me a strawberry cheesecake with cookies and cream. Bust it. Girl done left me. The Hellcat sitting by itself over here, y'all. Same bumper, same everything as mine, just different hood. You know what I'm saying? The hood is nice, bro. That's what I wanted for the Scat.
Oh, that's the hood that we sent on Super B.
Yes, no, Super B got the ones with the straight one.
Oh.
These with the ones.
Yeah,
These.
right.
So this might be, I don't know what year. Give me lying because they all look the same. But this might be a 19 to a 20. But it's a Hellcat 707 horsepower. Same. I got the same. Has the same damn brake. Look at me. I'm getting tired. I got the same fucking brake calipers. Same wheels, just the center caps are changed because mine says it got the Dodge on there. And yeah, everything's the same. I like his window. He got window guards, rain guards on there. He don't got the wicker bill, and he don't got a different diffuser. But it's pretty cool, man. SRT Hellcat. Shit's clean, blacked out, black interior, clean, bro. Don't worry, y'all. Mine's will be back. And no time soon, bro. Don't you worry about a thing. Anything with materialistic stuff can always come back and can always be fixed, so don't worry, y'all. She's all right. I was able to drive her home, so that was, you know, the best thing about it. My mom wasn't hurt. That was the best thing. And the car was able to be driven home. No airbags came out. Didn't have to call my insurance, so shit was love. You know what I mean? So we'll be back stronger and better. You heard? Midnight is out. Nah, but this is the end of the vlog. We're about to chill. And yeah, chop it up with our brothers, and then we probably just chill on the balcony and stuff. So I'm probably gonna end it here unless I see something that I want to record. So make sure I like, comment, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. Peace. How you having your day at the beach? It's fun?
Yeah, he almost made a mistake. He just running. I have her. He's in my bag. He is long.
Yeah, he's strong?
Yep, he is strong.
You strong too. Yeah, we got them ginger ales at the beach. That's on ice cold. Yeah.
She real trustworthy with that phone, I swear.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, man. I keep saying that.
But then when it goes in the water,
Exactly. I feel the same exact thing.
My phone. My phone.
We on that motherfucking Hero 7, bro. I ain't bringing my 9 out. They gonna be 1080p out this piece.
We going back in?
No. I'm done for the day.
No, fuck out of here. I didn't even
Good.
get to enjoy a little bit in there with you.
You did,
'Cause
baby.
you got out when I was getting in.
That's what she said.
Oh, damn, they out there. Oh, no, they too far from me.
Look at them. Oh, yeah, they
You
deep.
see them, Molly?
Mm-hmm.
They fall. Even though right there, you're still standing.
Yeah, the yeets.
But
They out there drinking that jeans. Drinking that jeans.
And the weather's not cold.
Yeah. Let me get back in shape. I gotta get back in shape, y'all. Show y'all a quick little glimpse what I used to look like right here. Proud of myself, though. I lost a lot of weight, man. I used to be at 250 at the age of 16. Nigga in his bag. Fuck wrong with y'all? I got it fucked. Proud of myself, though. I lost a lot of. He's eating it. I get back in shape. Look at Trey over there, chilling. That's Sig. Is that a Sig? Dandara. Dandara. What's that, herbs? That's that medicine. That's that potion for the ocean. That's that potion for the ocean.